Connect more with Cable Matters products. Boost your Google TV Chromecast's network speed with a Cable Matters USB-C to Ethernet adapter. Connect the adapter to a wired network and your Chromecast. Plug in the USB-C charging cable. Mount to the back of your TV with the included sticker. Eliminate streaming lag with a wired Ethernet connection. Also compatible with laptops and smartphones. Power and charge your device with 100-watt USB-C power delivery. Enjoy speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second. Beautifully designed and carefully engineered to be powerful, versatile, affordable, and easy to use. Also compatible with Thunderbolt 3 and 4. Consult our knowledge base for technical support or send us an email for more information.